Boom! It's more Tula. It's fucking Tula every day. I figured it was fitting to put the AKs up by all this Tula. So I actually forgot about this. This was this is 12 boxes of 122 grain, 40 per box, so 480 rounds. And these boxes got fucked up. They're all torn apart. One box was open. Ammo was literally, I put it back together, but the ammo was hanging out of the box. You can see the box looks like it's pretty sure it went to Afghanistan and back or something. I don't know what happened. But this I ordered like on 4/5. What's today? The 14th. So that's, I mean, it's not long considering today's times, but it's, I guess I was getting spoiled with that 2 and 3 day shipping. So this one took a little longer. So I mean, still not bad. It's 8 days from the time I ordered it to the time it arrived. So considering the circumstances. So yeah, 111 to the door for 480 rounds. Not bad at all for, you know, it's not that far off from normal prices. You know, usually we're getting 500 rounds, 500 rounds. Yeah, sometimes you see it for like 90, 89 bucks, something like that. Just figure around 100 bucks on average, 200 bucks for 1,000. So, you know, really like 222 for that. It's really not bad. But this was it was on like one of their daily deals, and I snatched it up real quick. Like, boom! Not gonna pass that up. But it just seems like I have ammo coming in every day because I made several orders, and then I kind of forgot how much I ordered, and because I had some coming yesterday. I think I had some coming over the weekend, and I always posted the day that it comes in, but it's going to slow down because I can't I just can't just keep ordering ammo. But this was kind of like a, you know, when I was ordering a bunch of ammo. But I mean, I would if I could, but no, because I don't have you know everything, nothing's credit, everything's cash, so, and I have to be careful with my cash funds. Not that this is a whole lot, but you know, 100 here, 100 there, 100, you know, 150 there, 150, it adds up. So this week I think I have another, I got something coming from Classic Farms. I can't remember what it is. I'm not sure. But no, that shit you hear in the background is the music from The Purge. I love The Purge. This is kind of suiting for what's going on and all that. But, so that's what I got for Tuesday, guys. I got nothing. Oh, if you ever wonder how I carry, if you like my Boogaloo shirt, now you can't order one because my buddy made them. But I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see this? It's kind of like, it's not really a fanny pack, but it's kind of like one. But it, you know, knife, 365 XL with 15 rounder, flashlight, stream light, and extra 12 round mag. So, but these are pretty cool. I'll have to do a video on this thing another time.